Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubraj. As usual, today also I'm here to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future. It's a weekly update from 19th December to 23rd December 2022. How did you do last week? Did you follow my last week video? If you have followed my last week video, you might be profitable. What I have mentioned last week is that if CPI is less than expected, market will go very high. Check my last week video. If CPI is as expected level and or less than expected, then market will jump very high. Okay, it will jump very Alright guys, you have checked my last week video clip. The CPI that was less than expected and market jump from this level to this level. Check here. So it moved about 500 point up. In the last week video, what I have mentioned is that the economic policy that has going to be revised, because previously it was mentioned, it was given some green signal that economic policy is going to be softened, but I signal that it is going to be revised or going to be reversed, and exactly same thing happened. Economic policy is not going to be softened, still it is going to remain tightening, and it was expected that in 2023 the interest rate that gonna be 4.6, but unlikely it is going to be 5.1. That is quite a worrying thing, and market is not going to be shocked as previously mentioned. That's the reason market started to fell down. What is going to happen next week? That might be the major concern at the moment. Before analyzing and predicting for the next week, let's quickly check what type of data are going to be released next week, and based on that I will come back to this chart and analyze and predict for the week. Okay, alright guys, on Monday there is no major data. Tuesday, building permits. Wednesday, CB consumer confidence, existing home sales and crude oil inventory. Thursday, GDP quarterly, initial jobless claim, and Friday, core durable good order, core PCE price index, and new home sales. Alright guys, we have checked the data that are going to be released in this week. At the moment the price that is in 11,200, this level, and this is immediate support level as well. So as the data are going to be positive or they are going to be supportive for the Nasdaq 100 future, we are not expecting Nasdaq 100 to fall sharply in the coming week. So what it signifies? It signifies that Nasdaq 100 futures, it might go some point down. For example, in the opening might be some gap down, and then it can fall a bit more, and then it can touch its another support level around 11,000. That will be its support level. That is a very strong support level, and then it can build up. Okay, Tuesday there are some data, and then it can rise, it can come up to 11,200 level, and if it cross 11,200 level, then next level that will be 11,400 level. So what you need to do is as it touches 11,000, just wait for there, and then if it holds that level, buy from that level, and then when it reaches 11,200 level, sell half of your trade, and then change your stop loss to 11,100 level, and then wait, and then when it goes to 11,300 level, again change your stop loss in 11,200 level, and wait for the next target that will be 11,400. 11,400. When it reaches 11,400, exit, because market is a very less chance to touch 11,600. This is another target level. Okay, and but if it hold this 11,200 level, then it will be also a strong support level, and then you can start buying from here. When you buy in 11,200 level, your first target will be 11,400. When it reaches 11,400, sell half of your trade, and then change your stop loss to break even 11,200. And when it crosses this 11,400, change your stop loss again into 11,300 at this level, somewhere else at this level, and wait for another target 11,600. When it comes to this level, then exit from this market. Okay, so this is the buying side. This is the buying side. You can do this, but you need to remember that if it fell 11,000 level, then market will go below, and the next target that will be 10,900, and another will be 10,600 level. That's the reason if it fails to hold 11,000 level, do not try to buy until it crosses 11,000. Okay, so it has to cross 11,000. As for example, if it fell to hold 11,000 and touch 10,900 level, wait until it crosses 11,000. When it crosses 11,000, only then after buy it. Okay, so that's the buying side. Now let's go for the selling side. If it touch 11,400 level, this level, but fail to cross this level, then it will be your selling opportunity. And if it touch 11,600 level, it will also be your selling opportunity. Just check it if it touch that level or not. Be very, very clever. If it touch at this level, 11,400 level, and cannot cross this level, start selling from there. Next, your target, that will be 11,200 level. That will be your target. When it reaches here, sell half of your trade and keep another half. Your another target, that will be 11,000. Change your stop loss in a break even 11,400 level, and wait for your another target that is going to be 11,000 level. So when it reaches 11,000, sell it and wait for another entry level. Okay, wait there. If it starts to build from that level, if it can't cross that level, buy from that level. But as it cross that level, next it will reach 10,900 level. Don't do anything, just wait there, and then if it started to build from that level, buy from that level. Otherwise, sell from that level, and then put your stop loss in 11,000 and wait for your target 10,600 level. So this week we have to go this way, we have to go sideways, because the data are expected to be bullish, or they are expected to be supportive. That's the reason market tries to go some point high. So we have to take that opportunity, and at the same time, for the long term market, the economic policy that is going to be tightening, and then the big traders, they will not jump in the bullish market right now. That's the reason market can pull back any point, even if it goes high. That's the reason be careful and be cautious. Check support and resistance point, check data, and then try to go both way, and then try to be profitable by selling and buying this Nasdaq 100 for this week, because this week it is expected to go sideways. How you are trying to trade this week, just compare your planning with this video, and then make your own decision. Before making any decision, investment decision, I recommend everyone to do your own research also. Be confident and then be strict on your trade. So be very disciplined and then trade. Okay, so let's go for the summary of the week. Alright guys, the general weekly data are expected to be positive, which helps Nasdaq 100's sharp fall in coming week. That means it will go sideways. Investors have lost their confidence and there is danger of a market to perform under 11,000K. Interest rate is going to be 5.1 in 2023, which is higher than expected 4.6%. Still early to think soft economic policy. That's the statement made by Powell. That's the reason. Yeah, so still market is not going to be soft. They are making it quite tough. And then it is quite early market to boom or market to go, market to rise. That's the reason when we are buying, we need to very careful. Even if you buy, it's okay, but that buy should be for the short term, exit quick. Immediate support at 11,200, that label, and failing to cross this label will trigger to 11,000 followed by 10,900 label, and if the data are unsupportive or negative, it can fall sharply until 10,600 label. We can see up to that label. If the data are not supportive, we can see this label in this week. Buying opportunity as it holds 11,200 or touch 11,000 and holds that label with first target 11,400 followed by 11,600. As for example, if it cross 11,200 label but holds 11,000, you can buy from that label, and next target 11,200 followed by another two targets 11,400 and 11,600. Okay, so these are the support and resistance label. You need to check these labels whether they hold or cross or not these labels, and based on that you need to enter into the market, and at the same time you need to check the moving average, and at the same time you need to definitely check the data, what type of data are going to be released, whether they are supported for Nasdaq 100 or not. If they are supported, you can go buying side for the short term, but if they are not positive or supportive for Nasdaq 100, you can't go for the buying side. Definitely market will fall sharply. Okay, so this is the prediction or the summary of the week. I believe that everybody you like this video. If you have any comment, anything else, just you can write down in the comment box. If you like this video, thumb up and subscribe the channel so that every week as soon as I create and upload in the YouTube channel, you will be notified, and then you will not miss this type of video, and this type of video helps you to be profitable. Thank you very much for watching this video.